everyone. Today's video is going to be making a nest for the birds. You've all worked so hard this week making bird feeders and making your own birds with things at home. I've really enjoyed seeing them. So today I thought we'd make a bird's nest. Let's go and find out what we need.
Here's my two little chicks, but they've got no nest. Can you remember what birds use to make their nests with? That's right, they use sticks. I've got some sticks here that I collected on my walk. Let's begin to make our nest. What shape is a bird's nest? Is it a square? A triangle? No, it's a circle. I've sorted my sticks into thick sticks and thin sticks. I'm going to start with my thick ones. Make a circle using your thick sticks. You could do this on a piece of card or stick it on some paper or just do it on a table like I am. Now, once we've got our circle with our bigger sticks, we can use our little sticks to build up the sides. Do you remember what we call a home for a bird? That's right, it's a nest or an enclosure because there's no spaces for the birds and the baby birds to fall out of. Keep putting your sticks round the outside. Keep that nice circle shape going. Soon be ready, Mr. and Mrs. Bird, and you can move into your lovely home. Last few. Now, if you found any feathers on a walk this week, you could use the feathers to put in the inside, make it nice and cosy. There, that looks good, doesn't it? Would you like to move in, Mr. and Mrs. Bird? Yes, please. Hop on in then. And there they go, safe in their nest, ready to lay their eggs and wait for the baby birds to hatch.
Well, that was good fun, wasn't it? When you go on your walk, why don't you try and see if you can find a nest in a tree or in a bush? Let me know on Google Classrooms what you can see. And don't forget to share your pictures of your nests. See you soon!